latest project, a RANSOMES crawler, used for farming on small holdings, and they were even used to tow aeroplanes on airfields. This is an MG40 supplied by Drake and Fletcher. It's 1962, and at the moment I've put on another fuel tank which runs to the fuel pump here, and disconnected this one because that one is connected to a 20 odd litre tank, so I can run it off half a litre there. Done a little bit of renovation on it, and it runs, but it's very loud because the exhaust is missing, although I have got the original exhaust. Just rebuilding it. Started with a crank at the front there, you twist it and off it goes. You sit yourself there, you pull left, you pull right, you've got forward gear, backwards gear, and 3 speeds in each gear. It's in fantastic original condition, found in a barn, and I'm very pleased with it. If you pull this handle, it raises the plough back. Some of them have got hydraulics. See that? Just raises it up. Now you can drive it, and the plough is just hanging. I've got 4 more ploughs, all made by RANSOMES, and the toolbox is all nice. Let's put this down again. I drove it here, drove it to here, and then stopped it because it was too loud. So when I get the exhaust, I will start it up again. My missus was absolutely speechless when I turned up with this. I think she was in shock of how nice it is. Straight out of a barn. Isn't that nice?